Our backyard has turned into an evening oasis with the addition of new lighting all the way around. So we're getting ready to light up a fire pit right over here, and isn't this lovely? So now we got the fire pit going, and over here we got Zulu having her ice cream.
Ice cream by fire.
Yeah, you see the camera coming, huh, girl? So we got Zulu's having her ice cream over here by the fire pit. What was that? You hear the fire? Yeah.
Basenji.
Oh. What did he hear?
Alright.
Did you hear something over here? Was there something going? Was it that exciting to you that it's worth missing out on ice cream?
What happened? Get up here. Get up here. Come up here. Come on.
It's like I want
Get
my
up
ice
here.
cream.
Come here. Up here. Oh. Okay.
I'm just having his ice cream.
You sit, baby.
Ice cream by the fire.
Backyard.
Yeah.
Ambiance.
It's just a whole different experience with all the lighting in place. It's our oasis. So now we can hang out here during the day or at night. Thanks everyone for hanging out with us here in our new backyard oasis. Please be sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, we invite you to do so.